Today we will attach CSS file in HTML. We saw in all preceding tutorial the basic HTML works, but the website making process needs the coordination of HTML, CSS and other languages and frameworks. We can input text information in website according to the necessity, but alongside CSS is inevitable for text formation and to sort the information. Let's see friends, this is a basic HTML file. Here remains in the file only heading tag. This is heading tag and this is paragraph tag, nothing else. We can take a look the result of the HTML file in the browser. It's look like this is for the heading tag and this is for the paragraph tag. The information is appeared on the browser, but now we want to color the heading tag and change the font size of the paragraph tag. In case of such a styling of information, you must have to apply CSS. So how will we apply CSS? In this case, we need a CSS file. I am opening a CSS file in my project folder. I am naming the file style. You can put it as you wish, but note a thing, you must have to write CSS as the format of CSS file. So .css. The CSS file just opened here. Friends, let's link CSS file in HTML. In this case, we have to take a tag in title tag, name link tag. Link tag is an empty element, so no closing tag here. For this linking, we need an attribute in link tag, name rel, that means relation, equal to a style sheet in double quote. The relation attribute defines the relation that the linked resource has to the document from which it's a reference. The CSS file is a style sheet. Here is another issue. We need to use HTTP reference attribute, that means href attribute, in link tag. Here is use the concerned CSS file name after equal sign href attribute. You know the concerned CSS file of this project is style.css. Friends, the link between HTML and CSS file has done. Now we will change the color of the text of h1 tag. In the browser, the color of h1 tag is black. You are watching. The color of h1 tag is black. We will change it to red. Now we have to write the code in CSS file. Since we want to change the color of h1 tag, so write h1, then curly brace, then write here color, clone, and then write red. Save the file and go to the browser. Reload the browser. Now you are watching the color of h1 tag has changed to red. Let's change the font size of paragraph tag. Then firstly need to write the p tag in CSS file. P tag here, then curly brace, then font size. Now write the required font size here. I am writing here 30 px. Now save the file and go to the browser. Reload the browser here. Okay friends, now you are watching the font size has changed here. In this way, you can include the CSS file in HTML and furnish the text and other information by CSS. This is the end today. If you feel good with me, so subscribe my channel and let me know by comments. Thank you.